Sure, Mr. Choki.
How are you?
Thank you,
Sir?
thank you. Ke a utlwa wala o manje o na le ntho tse ding tse kang ha di tsamaya hantle moo dikateng tsona tse di sasa. Ha o nhlalosetse ho etsahetseng.
No, yesterday my wife unrumme hore ke tsamaye ke yo drawela bana tjhelete ya grant. Then when I went there, I started ka swiper 40 rand. Ya mpontsha hore tjhelete e teng, and then I went to Shoprite ko Albertine. Na ke fihla ko Shoprite ko Albertine, before ke kena ko Shoprite ka ya ko ATM ya Absa ka checka ka kry-a hore o setse 1,054 rand. Suddenly I kry-a that 1,054 rand ka kena ko Shoprite because of ko ATM I itswe that amount. Then a ke fihla ko Shoprite, that amount eo a ke swiper e re decline. Ka be ka tswa ba mpotsa hore na tjhelete e teng, ka boela ko morao. A ke fihla ko ATM ka kry-a o setse 66 rand, tjhelete e tswile wa bona. Then ka boela moo ka ba botsisa hore hao mos tjhelete e tswile, nna ke bala tjhelete e tswileng hura hore o tswile almost 996 rand. So and ke swipile dilo tsa 96 rand tsa scarftin sa bana ka etsa cashback ya 900. And then the very same woman was arguing to me, I don't know, regulatory item until ke tsamaya ke checka ko SASSA ba fihla ba mpontsha screen hore no, the amount is available. I mean the amount has been transacted in what you call
Shoprite.
In Shoprite. Then when I come back, I print another slip. I show them. No, I went to SASSA. They said the money is transacted to your side. So what is the story? Then they started telling me to say, no, I must come tomorrow in the morning. It's not the first time it happened like that. And then I must come early in the morning, 9 o'clock, so that they can see. Very true. Today, I went today. On the 9th, I went to Shoprite. I find the money back in the card back again. So now my plea, it is very, very clear to say our government needs to fix the notification to the grants, because that is one of the crises every encountering, especially for the people who are in poverty, where including tjhelete e notifier a fetsa a e bontshe transactional record. So if motho o ka thoma a tloa a ya ko a sa checka balance a ya mo ne ba tlo mmotsa ditori tsa hore ke SASSA. So I saw bonkgono bana, a number of people ba frustrated in terms of dilo tseo tsa ko SASSA. So ne re kopa hore government, the Department of Social Development, it thuse in terms of making sure hore proper measures are made to protect the transaction and the fraud tse iralang ko batho.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you very much.